my name's Chris Grant. I look after software companies for American corporations. Yeah, I haven't had the greatest luck when it comes to teeth. It probably started at university. Had a root canal treatment that went horribly wrong and I was in so much pain. I've had the fear of dentists for 20 years. Unfortunately, I probably didn't look after the teeth too well and they started to wobble, they started to fall out. I had some of the bottom ones replaced at my local dentist, and then he started noticing some big problems in the upper jaw. And he said, there's a guy you ought to go and see. His name's Tim.
Chris came to see me a couple of years ago. He had real problems with his teeth because he'd been told by various dentists that he needs to lose them all. He does a lot of public speaking with his work, so he was really worried about how he was going to have to deal with that. He'd also been to see several other dentists for second opinions and travelled around the country trying to find someone he felt comfortable with.
So I came and saw Tim, we went through all the details, I went home, talked it through with my wife, and then I realised that actually it was getting quite serious, and Tim said, you know, this can be life-threatening, this can be, or at least it can give you a heart attack, something like that. And we just decided this is a no-brainer, I've got to have the treatment. So I was incredibly scared, but I was starting to get confidence in Tim and Tim's staff. And I've been here, I don't know whether it's 10, 20, 30 times, but a lot of times. And I come totally relaxed. I just walk in, Tim takes my teeth out, puts them in, never any pain.
We came up with a plan to actually give him some sedation because he was really apprehensive and nervous of dental treatment. When we came to do the surgery, we had him for a whole day and he left that day with immediate teeth. So he was really ready to go back to public life straight away the following week. The results were brilliant. The initial phase was on going through the tooth removal of the hopeless teeth, putting implants in and making a provisional bridge. Our technicians worked really well to get a great result. In fact, in his case, we actually made 2 bridges all within the space of a couple of days and worked over the weekend to get it really perfect, so he was happy.
So the thing that I would say to anybody, especially anybody thinking about the treatment, is wow, go for it. It's absolutely unbelievable. And whilst there are going to be things that aren't that pleasant, it's nothing like as bad as you fear. Nothing like as bad as you fear at all. I went to a wedding recently. My brother's elder daughter, my niece. There I am in the photos that they're taking, showing my teeth. I've never shown teeth ever, because I've always been so embarrassed about these yellow, black, horrible things that were all wobbly and falling out and no gums. For me, it's just been incredible because what it's basically done, it's taken me from trying to hide my mouth to wanting to show my teeth off. I can't tell you how delighted I am with everything that's happened.